Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Altcoin Reviews. Today I am here with one more video on arbitraging, and the topic of today's video is importance of Apex, or you can say the Apex phenomenon. So let's start the video. In this video I am going to explain you the importance of Apex, that why uh, Apex is the most talked uh, topic at this time, and why everyone is discussing Apex, and what is in the Apex that we all are believing that Apex can become the game changer. Apex is a game changer according to me, and I am saying this from last many weeks, from when Apex started the beta testing. So, what it is and why it is so important that we are all uh, anxiously waiting for it to go live. And I think at this time, whoever is beta testing this Apex feature is definitely going to use it, because it's one of its kind. I have not seen anything like Apex on the internet at this time. Uh, you will say that there are exchanges offering leverage trading like Bitmax and all other some other exchanges also offering the leverage trading. Yes, I agree with you. They are offering the leverage trading, but if we talk about Apex, it's totally different from them if we compare, because Apex is not all about leverage trading. There are many other things linked with Apex other than leverage trading. Okay, so in this video, maybe it gets long, and maybe I have to make two parts of it. But in this, I am going to explain you in details about Apex, that why it is so important, and how it can become the game changer for this business. We will discuss that. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let me take you to the announcement page to share a few Apex details with you. Then we will start. Then we will move to Apex, and I will show other things there. So first announcement for the Apex came on 3rd of July 2019, and almost I think a little bit more than the month, you can say. Second announcement was exactly a month ago. Okay, and we got much more detail in the second announcement. In the first announcement, we got to know about the two features which will be in the Apex, one called leverage trading, other one called arbitrage trading. We all know about what arbitrage trading is, because we are the part of this business from more than a year now. This business is 1.5 year old, almost 1.5 years old. So we are the part of this, and this business, when this business started, it was totally based on arbitrage trading. So I am sure each and every one of us know about what arbitrage trading is. It is we buy one coin from uh, we buy a coin from one exchange for the lower price and sell it on another exchange for the higher price. Is called arbitrage trading. In simple words, I am explaining it. So, but it's a long procedure, that transferring the money from our wallet to the exchange to buy a coin. Then from that exchange, we transfer money to another exchange to sell that coin. Then we withdraw it again. It's a hours long process, because when we send money from our wallet to one exchange, it takes almost 5 to 10 minutes to transfer, because it requires confirmations. Okay, then from that exchange we buy coin, it also take time. Then we transfer from one exchange to another exchange, it also takes around 5 minutes or so. So it's a almost 20 to 30 minute process we have to follow for just to make one arbitrage trade. And now, if you see in the details, they have explained that With just two clicks of a button, we can initiate the arbitrage trade on over 100 pairs. Okay, 100 pairs are available, and we can do arbitrage trade. Okay, now let me take you to the Apex page. So let I will show you that what they have made for us. I have already explained how Apex works and all the things. I am not going to repeat the same thing here, but I am going to show you that how easy they have made it. That as you can see, that here we can select the exchange we want to use, like Binance, Kraken, and Hit BTC means where we have to buy from, and on which exchange we want to sell. So they have made the whole system on a single frame, and we can do the trading with just a click of a button. Okay, now imagine how easy it is for us to do. Okay, so I am amazed, and that is why this is one reason, and it says all that why Apex is so important. Okay, and why everyone is talking about Apex now, and how Apex will change the whole game. Okay, now let's come to the feature number 2. Okay, the second and the most important, or I can say the most uh, amazing feature which they have added to the Apex is leverage trading. Because at this time, uh, the one exchange which I know about who offering the leverage trading is Bitmax. And if you go and check the volumes of that exchange, you will be amazed. It's the number one exchange in the volumes, because they are offering the leverage trading. And we will be able to do leverage trading on the Apex. Okay, as you can see, sorry for that. As you can see, that here it's a, but I think I have clicked the wrong button and it take me to the another page. Let me open the Apex tab here. As you all know that I am using another system, so it's little bit difficult for me to use. Yes, I clicked the wrong button and it took me to the another page. Now it's opening here. My system got gone for repairing because it got some problem. So that is why I am using another computer. It's a MacBook, and I am not used to of MacBook, so that is why it is creating a little bit problem for me. But I will get used to it, and I think I will get my system back by tomorrow. So it will all be good. Okay. So what I was saying, that the number second thing and the most amazing feature which they have added is leverage trading. Okay, and now let me show you the leverage trading. Here you can see that it's leverage trading, and here we can select long, short. If we think that the price of Bitcoin moves up, we do long. If we see that the price of Bitcoin can come down, we can do short. And now we can select our amount of leverage from here, that 1x, 2x, 5x, 10, 20, 50x. Okay, leverage means borrowing a money which you don't have. Okay, and you are doing the trading with that. I am not so good at leverage trading. I have tried many times, and most of the time I trade goes against me, and because I am not analyzing the chart properly, and I am out from crypto trading from last many months because of some other things which I am working on nowadays, and also on arbitraging, like making videos and all. So that's why little bit out of the market for quite some time. So at this time it is hard for me to analyze the chart and predict that where the coin can move to. So that's why whenever I try to do the leverage trade, it goes against me. But arbitrage is doing good for me, and let me show you the my arbitrage trade result. As you can see here, that I did some arbitrage trading, and most of them gave me profit. Okay, as you can see that this one atom AUSD, I bought at 3.56, sold at 3.63, and I invested $1,000 in that, and I got $1,020 back. So $20 profit for me uh, in this trade. And all other trades, as you can see, $46 profit, $38 profit, $19, $3, $57, and 57 is the highest for me, I think. There are other trades also. I have to click on history to check that out. But we are not discussing about the trade results now. We are discussing about the importance of Apex. So, leverage trading for me is the most amazing feature, and world wants to use leverage trading because there are many advantages of leverage trading, that we don't have to keep the real coin. We can use, or you can say we can buy the contract instead of real bitcoin or any other coin, like in commodities trading, gold, oil, silver. They don't buy real gold and they don't get at their home. They just buy the contract of gold, which is equal to whatever the amount they are buying for in the ounce. Okay, and when they sell, they get the profits in the form of the currency in their accounts. Okay, and they can withdraw that. Same like that in we are doing in leverage trading. So that is why this is leverage trading is the second most amazing feature which arbitrage.co has added in the Apex. Now there is much more about the Apex, like stocks, Apex AUSD, so which I am going to discuss in the next part of this video, the importance of Apex or the Apex phenomenon. Okay, so I am ending this video here, and we will discuss much more about this in the next part. So let me end this here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Altcoin Reviews. Have a very wonderful day. Bye bye.